Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Bryan, and this month's book from the Nook is Firebird by Misty Copeland. The space between you and me is longer than forever. You are the sky and clouds and air. Your feet are swift as sunlight, stretching across the skyline like the day-long sun over the horizon. Me? I'm gray as rain, heavy as nap time, low as a storm pressing on rooftops. I could never hope to leap the space between. Darling child, don't you know? You're just where I started. Let the sun shine on your face, your beginning's just begun. Before the curtain rises, before the spotlight falls, before the fireworks of costumes, before it all. I was a dancer, just like you, a dreaming shooting star of a girl, with work and worlds ahead. There I am, sweating at the bar. I had 1,000 leaps and falls, switching worn-out slippers, swift as applause. Even birds must learn to fly. Like me, you'll grow steady in grace, spread an arabesque of wings, and climb. Each position, 1 through 5, stair steps to the sky. That's right. You will soar, become a swan, a beauty, a firebird for sure. Soon, with the same practice, you'll join me in this dancing dream. In a pas de deux, a music box for two, we will wrap our hearts, careful as ribbons, on point shoes. We'll make the night sky our starry curtain, the moon our silver spotlight, as we spin across the planets, pirouetting tightly as the curls on our heads. Spinning wishes for new little ones we can't yet imagine. Then they'll look to you in wonder, lighter than air and swift as sunlight turning over the day, and say, "The space between you and me is longer than forever, and I will show them that forever is not so far away."